Hello and welcome to the short video about restoring front panel of Electrocompaniet equipment. A lot of you have noticed that around the brass handles, or later just screws that are featured in Electrocompaniet, you know, there's sort of lighter areas there, and that's basically the paint that came off the acrylic. What they do, they spray the lettering and the logo with gold first, and then they spray the black at the back. So the most risky part is that you first remove the screws. You know, I have to open the cover, and because there are nuts at the back. The most risky part is getting or separating that acrylic panel from the chassis. So I'll grab it with both hands and just keep the thumbs on the bottom and try to apply pressure from the top, just pulling it away from the chassis. Do it slowly. The slower the better, and you will hear the crack that that double-sided tape is sort of letting go. Sometimes there are rows and columns of that tape. In this case, which is obvious, there were just two vertical strips. So once you have it, the best thing is to look through to the light, and you say there's plenty of paint missing. Not so much on this side because I've already done it, but on top, you know, it's awful. So I either use very soft tip marker pen, or if it's as much missing paint as in this one, I use a brush. First I mask the edges, because edges are not painted and you want to conserve that nice straight line, and then, you know, airbrushing. But if you haven't got airbrush gun, you know, the softer the tip of the pin, the better, because otherwise it will remove the paint from the acrylic that you've already applied. So that's all, and this is how it looks from this side. Okay, it's hard to see anything because the light reflects. And so this is another reason. Sometimes people ask me, you know, why the particular piece of equipment that I sell is more expensive than others. Well, because sometimes I spend a lot of time on that kind of jazz, and of course it all takes time. But nobody wants to buy a new piece of equipment and then sort of look at it and it just does not look all that good, you know. Not everything can be restored, but whatever can, one should give it a go. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye-bye.